How's it going today, everybody, and welcome back to Shaner's Mechanic Life. Do you have a Subaru like this 2019 Forester, and you changed the battery or had the battery go dead and you had to jump start it, and then you go to roll your windows up and this happens? You just kick back down all the time? Well, in this video I'm going to show you an easy fix to rectify that problem. That's what you want to do. Open up your driver's side door in just a little bit. Turn your ignition to the on position, but not running. And with these switches, they're two position. You can roll them up by the first notch and have the auto if you pull it all the way up. So what we're going to do, we're going to roll it down. Hold it for a few seconds. And then roll it up on the first notch. When it gets all the way up, hold it for a few seconds. And your windows have been reset. Now, when you hit the auto function, your window rolls all the way up and stays up. It doesn't come down. Hope you found this video helpful. Have a good night, and thanks for watching.